In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. This full guide is meant to help you successfully transfer your domain by following these straightforward instructions. To begin, navigate to your Squarespace account. It's important to make sure you're logged in and ready to access the settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find the Settings option. Click on it. This will allow us to access the domain settings necessary for our transfer. Next, within the Settings menu, locate Domains and Email and select it. This area is crucial as it contains all the information associated with your current Squarespace domain setup. When you're in the Domains and Email section, click on Domains. You should see a variety of options related to domain management. Now, look for the option titled Use a Domain I Own and click it. This step is vital because it's where we indicate our intention to transfer this domain over to Hostinger. With that done, it's time to shift our focus to Hostinger. Head over to Hostinger's website and log into your account. Once you're in, locate the Domains option in the menu bar and click it. This is where we'll eventually manage our domain and integrate the changes we make from Squarespace. As you enter the Domain section, make sure you have your domain name ready. Return to your Squarespace tab and prepare to transfer your domain from Hostinger. Here you'll need to copy the domain name from Hostinger and paste it back into the appropriate field in your Squarespace account. Once you've pasted it, you might notice an arrow next to the field. Go ahead and click it. This confirms the entry and moves you to the next step. After clicking the arrow, the option to connect domain should appear. Select it. Sometimes you may not see Hostinger listed directly. If that's the case, don't worry, just click on Other. This ensures that even if Hostinger doesn't automatically show up, you can still successfully move through the process. Press Connect Domain once more to reaffirm your action, and then click Continue to move forward. This next section requires you to copy all your DNS records available on Squarespace. These records are key for completing the domain transfer. Finally, head back to Hostinger, where you will click on Manage under the domain you're transferring. Navigate to DNS and name servers and select it. Here's where you'll paste those DNS records from Squarespace. Click Add Record after pasting each one to ensure they're correctly entered. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully transferred your domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. This process allows your online presence to remain uninterrupted while ensuring your domain is now correctly managed with Hostinger. Stay tuned for more informative guides.